How to download NBA 2K25 on your PC. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to download NBA's 2K25 on your PC. But before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to the channel. So let's begin. The first thing you need to have is the Steam application. If you don't have it, you can go ahead and open any web browser and search for Steam download. You can easily install Steam for free, and once the installation file is downloaded, you can install the application from there. And once you open up your Steam application, you can just go ahead and log into your account, or if you don't have an account, you can make a new one. Now just search for NBA 2K25 and click on it. So once you do that, if you want to know more about the game, you can just scroll down to read more about the game. And here are many additions to the game. So this one is the standard edition, which is the most popular one. Here is a tournament edition. It will charge you a bit more for all of these special editions. So I'm just going to suggest you go with the standard edition. If you just want to enjoy the game, go ahead and click on add to cart. And then from here, click on view my cart. Now you just have to make sure that you select this for my account, that is for your account and not as a gift. Now you just have to click on continue to payment. And Steam here has provided us with a various payment method like PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, and JCB. If you want to continue with PayPal, go ahead and click on continue. And if you want to use any of your credit or debit card, go ahead and click on MasterCard or Visa card. Now here you just have to enter your card details like your card info, your expiration date, and your security CVV. Then you just have to enter all of your billing information right here, make sure everything is correct, click on continue, and you should be able to purchase the game easily. And let's see where you can find the game. So you will see this library tab on top, and once the game is downloaded or purchased, you can find it on this, and you can start downloading on your device, then start playing. I hope you enjoy your NBA 2K25, and I'll see you guys on the next one.